Wala, papajoke na ano lang, steady lang siya.
So, guni-guni ko lang.
Ewan ko po.
Naka-wireless ba to?
Opo.
So, gaano ka nakalayo sa patungan ng telepono?
Ano lang, mga half yard.
Wow. Half yard. Di ba? Jason, alam ba kung gaano kalaking half yard? Kalahating bakuran. Yard eh. Tama? Is it a backyard or front yard? Hoy! Ayusin mo ang telepono! Huwag niyo pa...
Steady ako, papajoke.
Huwag niyo kasing pasain yung phone. Ayan ha. Nag-usap yung dalawa sa banyo. Nahiwagaan naman ako. Jason, usap nga tayo. Tayo mo ko sa men's room. Masinsinan to, Jason ha. Dala kang tuwalya. Oh, tapos, ano yung nangyari?
Ayun. May binilong siya sa akin.
Ano sabi niya?
Wanted to something.
Ano sabi niya?
Wanted to do something stupid.
Okay, Stuy. Oy. Ano ba yung linya niyo?
Hindi pa nga steady, papajoke ko, wireless to. Promise.
Walang signal gaano eh.
Walang signal. Wait lang
I think you are really far away from the mother set. Alright?
No. Dito lang ako.
Are you sure? You talk to me now. Look at me and talk to me.
Ito na nga.
You talk to me. And look at me.
Hindi may signal dito, Papa Jack.
Oh, sige. Hanap ko ng signal ha.
Hanap na ako ng reception. Dala-dala ko yung ano eh.
Hanap ka reception.
Yep.
Sige, hanapan kita ng receptionist ha. Tapos.
Yun na nga, may binilong siya sa akin.
Oh, taga, what was the first major move?
Ano ulit, Papa Jack?
Nothing, I'm just trying to experiment with my highfalutin words.
Okay,
I was really asking you, Ace, what was the first major move?
Okay.
Teka lang ha, Jason, dugtungan ko lang. Gusto ko yung sentence na to eh. Alright, Ace, are you there?
Yep.
Okay, you tell me about the story of the things you did with someone during the day that you met up with your, childhood friend, and you went to your house and, and ended up you guys drinking in your apartment, right?
Yep.
And then, it's around 9 o'clock in the evening,
yes.
And the girl asked you to do something, right? So, the question goes like this.
Okay.
Ready ka na, Jason? So, what was the first major move that culminated?
Nosebleed.
Yeah, the entire sequence of events. Hayok.
Okay.
Nahugot ko yan, man! Tapos. So, anong first move?
Ayun, start sa kiss. Sa ear ko.
Di ba may tao dyan?
Yung time na yun, may borders.
Hindi, di ba meron na tira sa room, tatlo kayo?
Yep.
Ano sabi nung isa?
Wala. Parang bingi lang, tsaka bulag.
Kumakanta siya dun, di ba? Kunyari, tawag nito, Jason, nagkanta-kantahan, walang naririnig, di ba?
Nagka-text siya, Papa.
Kumakanta, you are not alone. Di ba? I am here with you. Di ba? Tapos?
Ayun na nga. And then, start na mag-undress. And then, yung...
May ilaw na bukas?
Actually, dim light.
Ano na?
Dim light.
Uy, mayaman. May pang dim light sila. Okay, tapos?
And then, yun na nga. She kissed my ear. Then, start undress. Tapos, yun. And I started to explore her body. Bloated body.
Pintasero ka. Huwag mo nang gumanon.
Okay, sorry.
Alright? I don't like this. Jason, I don't like this, Jason. Jason is right here with me. My, technical staff tonight. Jason the Sensation. And we don't like this. You're so mean.
Yes, I am.
Don't be mean. That's not nice. Alright? It's okay to be mean. You have a purpose to be mean. But do not be mean. Alright, I'm trying to give out some adjectives. Adjectives, huh? Di ba? Do not give out adjectives, di ba? After a noun and an adverb. Ano? Ano the adverb? Huwag ka man mundas, ha?
Sige.
Okay,
Sorry,
give me
sorry.
some good predicate.
I'll be nice na.
Predicate.
I'll be nice na, Papa Jack.
Sige. So you kissed her body,
Yep.
and then...
Yun.
Ano na, sinarsyado ka niya, inescabeche ka muna niya?
Siya, nauna. Actually...
Sinarsyado ka niya?
Mm.
Wow. She was singing, nakatanggap ako ng text mula sa amin. Di ba? After nun, ano ka ba? Inescabeche mo ba siya?
No.
Bakit?
Ayoko lang.
Papa Jack, hindi ko mahanap eh.
Acquaintance pa lang kami.
Acquaintance. Plastic nito.
Hindi nga, Papa Jack.
Huwag ka nga mag-cute, ha? Alright?
Hindi nga talaga.
Okay, so, acquaintance, dapat di nyo ginawa ito, acquaintance pa lang kayo.
Hindi na nga kasi.
Papa Jack, newly acquainted kami, pero wag ka, di ba? Patiring kita dyan. And then, after that, lugaw na kayo.
Yun, lugaw na.
Okay. All the while that it was happening, anong ginagawa nung isa sa sulok?
Nagte-text lang po, then nakaupo yata.
Pero,
nakaupo siya, nakagaling sa bed.
Babae ito, di ba?
Yep.
But she knew all the while that something is happening.
Of course. May shaking na nangyayari.
Hindi ka nahiya?
For a while, at first, siguro, andun na yun eh.
Oh my God, man.
Kasi di rin naman, alam din naman doon din naman yung magiging, happening then.
What is wrong with...
Talaga kung ano ayaw niya makita or maybe curious lang siya. O kaya nag-stay siya.
So, nung matapos na ang lahat, anong eksena? Nag-usap-usap kayong anim ulit?
Yep. Opo.
Like nothing happened?
Opo. Parang normal lang. Tapos, may mga sumunod pa.
May sumunod pa?
Opo. Week long.
Sige, sa waiting shed ako. I can wait properly. Ano sumunod?
Ayun na nga, merit ng second tsaka third round that night. Then kaya lang di ko na kinaya rin kasi hindi naman ako kalakasan. Wow. Average lang.
Talaga?
Yep.
Yung second time it happened, same setup.
Ako?
Hindi, I mean, may tao sa room
Yeah.
with you, yung dalawa na nasa banyo, isa nasa labas, ganun pa rin?
Opo. Pero mga sumunod na araw, yun na lang, alone na lang talaga. Kaming dalawa na lang talaga.
I mean, okay. Well, are you with me? Are you with me? Ace?
I'm sorry?
Nothing. I mean, are you with me?
Yeah.
Good. Because I'm with you. I got a question for you.
Okay.
With what you did, yun mga banat, Jason. With, with what you did almost a year ago.
Yep.
Teka lang, hirap tapos yung sentence ko. How do you feel looking back? Were you proud? Are you proud of this? Do you think what happened and what you did with this person helped you in some ways to prove that you are a better guy?
Uh-huh.
Are you proud of what you did?
Not really.
Are you sure? You look at me and look at me. Look at me.
Somewhat.
You are proud?
In a way. But not all the way.
Oh, come on.
Yup.
You must be kidding me.
Why?
Why do you have to be proud?
I think
what part of the story, diba, that you can be proud of? Hey, look at me.
Okay. I'm looking at you.
Good. Where are you?
Right in front of you.
Huh? Bakit ka proud, kapatid? Ano ka ba?
Pa,
Ba't ka proud?
hindi
Kasi
naman siguro, I mean, in a way, kasi natural na sa lalaki yung gano'n kapag may ganyang klaseng happening. Diba, normal lang sa sa gayon.
Come on.
Oh, come on, Papa Jack.
Are you saying na normal
Siguro
ito?
hindi naman, I mean, parang...
You just said it. Lilinawin ko sa'yo to, ha?
Okay.
Okay, WC or Wild Confessions is not here to promote something wrong. Tell me
I'm
your
not
story.
promoting something wrong.
You know, when you're proud of something, it's as if you're telling people that what you did by something that they have to do because, it's fulfilling. Diba? Pwedeng ipagmalaki. That's why you're proud of it. I'm gonna ask you again. And by the way, stop telling na normal ito sa mga lalaki, ha?
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Kasi admission ito na sinasabi nating manyak tayong lahat.
Oh, hindi naman.
No, kapatid, wag kang tanga.
Okay.
Yan yun, di ba? Yan yung di ba? That's the underlying message, di ba? Papadyak normal sa lalaki, di manyak tayo, ganun. Tama? Normal Normal. So, di ba? Normal ba ito? Gutin mo nga ako, baka isa ako kita ngayon. Normal ba to?
Okay.
Normal ba ito?
No.
Okay, no. Now I'm proud of you. Huwag mo nang ulitin yan, ha?
Opo.
Okay, alam mo naman mali, di ba? Pag mali, you don't have to be proud. Okay?
Okay.
May stereotype ang mga lalaki. Baka mamaya merong boyfriend dyan na nagpaalam sa girlfriend niya na, uy, makikipag-inom man lang ako sa mga barkada ko, kahit, di ba? Ever since may tiwala yung girlfriend niya, bigla akong sabihin, normal lang na may gumanyan. O di nagkaroon ng away yung tao, di ba? Do you get my point?
Yup.
You look at me.
Okay.
Look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Good. Where are you?
I'm right in front of you.
May sapak din, no?
In front of you.
May sapak din na kausap ko. Napatulan mo ako. Apir nga tayo, pre.
Up here.
Alright, kapatid ha, wag ganun ha.
Sige po.
This is not normal. Okay?
Sorry.
Yung mga nagawa nyo, diba, it already happened. Wala naman akong magagawa para palitan yung naganap na.
Yep.
Diba? Tell me your story. Pagtawanan natin sometimes, diba, what you did. Sometimes it's stupid, diba? Minsan it's fun to talk about it, diba? Most importantly, diba, ano man yung manner kung paano mo alalahanan yung nagawa mong mali, diba, is that alam mo na mali at hindi mo na uulitin pa.
Opo.
Appear tayo.
Up here.
Where are you?
Yeah. In front of you.
Okay.
Here.
Alright, so paano tayo mga kaibigan? May lesson tayo dito. Okay, class, turn your PI books into page 78. Lesson number 35. Ako po si
Ace.
na taga
Taguig.
na ngayon ay susumpa at mangangako na hindi na ako gagawa ng kahit anong bagay para mapasama ang sangkalalakihan. Ayan. Bagong term yan. Sumpaman.
Din sa Tagalog, sumpaman.
Di ba? Sumpaman. Ayan. Sumpaman. Ayan ha. Puro sumpaan na yan. Kapag hindi ka patuloy na, bahala ka na.
No, arman na nga ako, Papa Joke.
Ganun talaga. Damdamin mo yan. Namnamin mo na rin. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you for calling, kapatid. Nag-enjoy ang usapan natin, ha? Okay. May nag-text. So, ang yabang ng caller mo, sarap balatan ng buhay. Ano ba? Nakikinig daw, ha? Yung mga Ateneo guards. Diba? Salamat po. Good evening po. Papa Jack, nanonosblid ng anak ko. Pregi ako. Ang ginawa mo? Bakit ka pregi? Naks, diba? Sabi dito, Papa Jack, ang funny mo. Ang arte, diba? I'm here at work and you make me smile while I listen to you. Say hi to Jason. Uy! Mga kaibigan. No, Jason nga pala, no? Balita ko lang sa'yo. Well, every time I go to Paddy's Point, hinahanap pa ng tao. Tinatanong ka, saan po si Jason Sensation?